Hello everybody, my name is Sherry. So I hope you had a great week here in Spoil Yourself and got to try all your samples and use them all. So right now I am here to talk to you about how do you get essential oils into your home. Well, there's really two ways to get essential oils. There's retail price, which is the most expensive, and then there's wholesale price, which is the cheapest way to get essential oils. So, like Amazon, maybe you guys use Amazon Prime or you go to Costco and you get the cheaper prices where you get wholesale prices at Costco. And Amazon is very much like Costco because they deliver right to your front door. So you go online, you order what you want, when you want, and it comes to your front door. 3 to 5 business days, it's usually sitting at your front door. You add your information, your phone number, your address, and your credentials in there, and then you add your credit card, how you want to pay with it, and it's that simple. I love when the Amazon guy comes to my house. So our goal here with these oils is not just to get you oils, but to empower you and to teach you and give you control over your options, because the reason you are here is because you want to take control over your health. My job is to find solutions for you, and then you can decide on what you want to do with those solutions and going forward. Now, how can you get started? Well, there's a couple ways you can get started. You can customize yourself a kit. Now, you have to have a wholesale account, just like at Costco. You have to have a wholesale membership. Now, that membership is going to give you wholesale prices, which is 25% less than retail for a full year. So you're going to get the cheaper prices with the wholesale membership, but you're also going to get some amazing things that I'm going to go over with you a little bit later. So doTERRA has a wholesale account. They also have enrollment kits. So in the enrollment kits, there's actually 2 of them that I absolutely love, and I'm going to go through those with you. Or you can get yourself a wholesale account and you can customize something. So customizing, if you want to get maybe 1 or 2 oils, then you can customize. If you want to buy retail, maybe just 1 or 2 oils, you can purchase retail. But if you want to customize something and get something tailored to your health concerns, or you want to get the wholesale account in the starter kit, the wholesale account is actually free in the starter kit. So you automatically save that $42. So we have 2 starter kits, and the first one is the Healthy Start Kit, and it has the top 10 oils in it. So in that kit, I'm just looking at the sheet here. I wish I had a slide here, but I can't really show you in the video, but I'll post this for you after. So there is the Healthy Start Kit, and it has frankincense, lavender, peppermint, easy air, oregano, tea tree, deep blue, On Guard, and Zen Just Essential Oil. It also comes with a diffuser as well, and it includes a wholesale account. Now, this is the kit that I got started with because it has everything at my fingertips. These oils are all good for emotions, for skin, digestion, sleep, antioxidants, alertness, headaches, acne, sore muscles, boosting your immune system, stomach issues, all of those oils in the top 10 kit in the Healthy Start Kit. So you get all of that, and this is such a good deal. You save so much money when you buy this as a kit. So this kit is total is $205.25 for that kit, and that is a great deal. You also get some bonuses with that kit as well as an enrollment kit, and I'm going to go through those in a little bit. Now, that kit might not be in your budget, so there's another option you can get, and it's the Simple Solutions Kit. And the Simple Solutions Kit is a kit with a tube of deep blue, so you're going to get a large tube of the deep blue rub. You're going to get 3 oils in that kit. You're going to get lemon, which is great for your water and to clean with. You're going to get Serenity, which is a great oil for sleeping and calming. And then you're going to get the On Guard essential oil, which is great for your immune system. This here kit comes with a wholesale count as well, so that's included, and it is $134.75. Again, another super deal if you're going to get those oils all together instead of buying them separately. Now, the Simple Solutions Kit, the one for $134.75, those come with the larger 15 ml bottles of oil. The Healthy Start comes with the sampler size, the 5 ml bottles. So you're going to get 80 drops of oil in the 5 ml bottles, and you're going to get 250 drops of oil in the 15 ml bottle. So it's such a good deal. You save so much money. And now my promise is to you when you get started to take care of you and guide you and help you along the way. So if you wanted to get one of these kits, Simple Solutions Healthy Start, let me know. And what I will do is I'll send you a link. And basically what you will do with that link is you'll open it up and you will add your information in there. So your name, your address, your email, your birthday, and then the credit card or the debit that you want to use. And then it's going to ship to your house in 3 to 5 business days. That's how fast the oils come. It's seriously like Amazon. They come very, very quickly. Or you can also customize something too. If you want to customize something, then you pay the $42 for the wholesale account, and then you can add your lavender, a tube of deep blue, and a bottle of Zengest, whatever you like to do. So you can absolutely do that as well. Now, I'm going to tell you that you are going to get not only wholesale prices with that wholesale account, this is what else you're going to get. You are going to get the best customer service from me, and the best customer service from doTERRA, should you ever need to call them for anything. You are here for a reason. And the reason is that you are looking for natural solutions for your health and wellness. And you are looking for solutions to help you with different problems in your life, whether it be digestion, sleep problems, anxiety, headaches, acne, sore muscles, whatever that is, there's a reason why you're here learning about this. So if you're also struggling to decide, how do I get started and how do I get going? What I'm going to do is post my cell phone number in one of the posts after this video. And I want you to call me or text me, and I can help you with a little bit more direction because you might be a little bit not certain how to get started. And really it goes back to your top 3 health concerns. What 3 health concerns do you have? And that's the direction I'm going to send you in what kit to buy or how to customize your oils. So if you're ready to step into the right direction, if you're ready to transform your wellness, and if you're ready to take hold of your health and your wellness with natural solutions, I am here to help you along the way. Now, this may not be for you if you are going to purchase something and it's going to sit on the kitchen table, if you're not wanting to take action steps, if you're wanting to make excuses about your health and wellness, then this is not for you. But if this is for you, I am here to guide you and help you. I am also here to help continue to educate you. So once you get your products, you're not going to be left out in the dark with your products. What I will do is set up a wellness consultation with you, and I will walk you through how to use all of those products and get started. I will teach you how to make some roller balls at that Zoom right away. I will also teach you how to get the most benefit of each of your oils. But that's not all. Once you get started, you can join our exclusive Facebook community. And here is where the magic happens. This is such an amazing community. What we do is we continue to educate you with amazing topics about your health and wellness. We talk about everything from dogs to hormones. So weekly classes live in the group here. You will come in and you will continue to learn more and more baby steps along the way to teach you about these oils. So the weekly classes, basic weekly classes, Essential Oils 101, we teach in the group. Different specialized topics we teach with different teachers in the group. And also, this is a place for you where you can talk about your health questions, share with other people, learn from other people, different things that they are doing and learning along the way. And we really want you to be here. We would really love for you to be here with us in this community of essential oils. And we will meet with you, like I said, and go over your products with you, but we're not going to stop there. After about a month or so, I'll be checking in with you. And just if you want to meet up again and go over some more things, maybe you want to hop into like toxin-free cleaning in your home. I am here to help you get to that place with your health and wellness. Removing the toxins, the chemicals from your home. That is my goal, to continue to support and educate you. So after you also with your enrollment kit and when you get started, I also have some freebies to give away for you. So when you get started, you're also going to get 2 empty roller balls from me. And I'm also going to enclose a bottle of fractionated coconut oil so we can get making our roller balls right away. And also I have another bonus for you, and you can totally choose what you would like to get, but I have an exclusive blend that I make, and I have a couple different options that you can choose from. So I have an exclusive blend that I will make specifically for you, and you have an option of what blend you would like specifically to your needs. So I will make that for you for free, send that along to you, a free bottle of coconut oil, 2 empty roller balls so that we can make our own roller balls, and that exclusive blend. You'll also get a welcome package from us as well, and that's going to include some additional freebies, some sample products as well from doTERRA, because we have more than just oils. So I invite you to join our exclusive membership, our exclusive group. Join us with our essential oils. And we would love to have you here. We want more than nothing to help you, guide you, and teach you along the way. You are going to love our group. You are going to love our trainings that we have for you. Now, if you want to, maybe you're thinking to yourself, like, this is something that maybe you would like to do yourself and you would like to maybe create additional income. If you love the products so much and you can't stop telling your friends about them, then I definitely recommend that you become a wellness advocate. And a wellness advocate is really about making some income now with these oils. So you love the products, you're using them, and you're telling everybody there's an oil for that. So what you can do is upgrade to a wellness advocate, which is completely free. And it allows you to actually send your link to other people so that they can enroll to get income for you. And basically you're going to get commissions back from doTERRA. They're going to pay you for recommending things. It's so easy. You know, if you ever told somebody about a favorite restaurant, a favorite maybe bottle of wine that you love, or a favorite mascara that you've bought, if you're that person who loves to share, I can talk to you later about becoming a wellness advocate and just sharing these products with other people. Why not get some of your oils paid for every month? All right, so that's all I have to share with you. If you have any questions, I am going to put my cell phone number there. You can call me or you can text me. And again, I really want to you to join here. I really do want you to be a part of our team. So this last closing thought before we're done here, just a little quote here. So he who has health has hope, and he who has hope has everything. Thanks guys for joining me, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.